जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 57th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. His teachings are the essence of Upanishads. Now Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, I have been telling you about the Sthita Prajna, the one who has a balanced state of mind and the one who is always thinking about Atma. In that Sthita Prajna there are 4 states. Now the third state, which is known as Vyatireka Avastha, from the topmost, this is the third one. In this state, the one who wants to enjoy Atma will not be having any kind of mental attachment, the manasika attachment with anything in this entire universe. He will always be thinking only about Atma, because he is continuously, constantly engaged in thinking of Atma. He would not enjoy if any good things comes to him. He would not hate if any bad things comes to him. He would try to maintain a balanced state of mind. That is how the third state of Sthita Prajna's nature will be. Like this, Krishna Paramatma giving the description of Sthita Prajna and helping us to understand how to improve our Sthita Prajna. Having this Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, let us now repeat the sloka. Yes sarvatra anabhisnehaha tattat prapya subhasubham nabhinandati nadveshti tasya prajna pratisthita. Om. If we again talk about that example, if any trouble is caused by someone, the topmost Sthita Prajna would not even notice that it is a trouble and it is caused by someone. The second topmost Sthita Prajna would notice that it is a trouble, but he would not notice that it is caused by someone. All that he would think is, this is how it's supposed to be happening to me. Like that, he would accept that trouble. Now the third state of Sthita Prajna would notice that it is trouble, would also notice that it is caused by someone, but he would not say anything to him. He would just take it, he would just accept it. And also back in the mind he would feel that that person should not be doing like this. That's all. To that extent he would think, but he would not express any hate, any anger also. That is how this third state of Sthita Prajna would react if any trouble is caused by someone. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, Always think about me. Become my devotee. Do all your actions as my service. Keep on thinking that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Keep spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do all my actions as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunakanda other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, now Parikshittu inquiring with Dharmadevata and also saying that, O Dharmadevata, in this Kali Yuga, you are with only one padam, and all those three padams are missing. O Dharmadevata, you know why those padams are missing? Because everybody thinks that they are great. That is one defect. Because of that defect, now the padam tapassu is missing. And the second defect is people are always, their mind is engaged, attached with all mundane things. That is why the purity is missing. That saucham, that other padam is missing. O Dharmadevata, now the third padam, because of their dynasty, because of their caste, because of their wealth, because of their wisdom, because of their education, they feel that they are so great. With that kind of proud ego, there is one other great quality, daya, compassion is missing. That is third padam. Now tapassu and saucham, daya, three padams are missing. Idanim dharma padaste satyam nirvartayedyataha. Only now you have one padam, that is fourth one, which is satyam. That padam also having so much of trouble. You are walking only with one padam with so much of trouble. O Dharmadevata, as Krishna Paramatma withdrew his avataram, Kali occupied this earth and also now trying to destroy that your fourth padam. Soon after Paramatma left, all the bad people are trying to encroach this land and rule the land. That is why this earth, Bhumata, is crying. O Dharmadevata, this Bhumata is Gomata. Now I am going to remove that grief. For that I am going to take Nishatam Adade Khadgam. I am going to take a sharp sword and I am going to remove the entire grief of this Gomata who is Bhumata. Like this, Parikshit Narendra is giving a word to Dharmadevata. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Naham Vande Tava Charanayoho Dvandvam Advandvahetoho Kumbhipakam Gurumapihare Narakannapanetum Ramya Rama Mrudutanulata Nandane Pirantum Bhave Bhave Hridaya Bhavane Bhavayeyam Bhavantam Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 57th sloka. Yes sarvatra anabhisnehaha tattat prapya subhasubham nabhinandati nadveshti tasya prajñā pratisthita. Srimannārāyana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnārpanamastu. Jai Srimannārāyana.